It's 2026, and much of what passes for modern technology feels like it's designed for a landfill, destined to frustrate you before its first warranty expires. Planned obsolescence isn't a theory anymore, it's a feature. But every so often, something crosses my desk that defies this trend. An outlier, a piece of engineering that reminds you what true quality feels like. The Graco SnugRide Lite LX Infant Car Seat Studio is one such rarity. Most manufacturers will tout a basic safety standard, but Graco's ProtectPlus engineered philosophy isn't just a badge, it's an uncompromising commitment to going beyond. We're talking about a rigorous battery of crash tests, covering frontal, side, rear, and rollover scenarios, even testing for extreme car interior temperatures. This isn't marketing fluff, it's quiet, industry-leading design, a bedrock of confidence. Imagine for a moment, your frantic Monday morning, the clock ticking. Every parent knows that jolt of doubt, that second-guessing the installation. This seat, with its easy-to-read level indicator and 4-position adjustable base, eliminates that guesswork, turning 5 minutes of fumbling frustration into 5 seconds of assured certainty every single day. That's not just safety, that's time regained, peace of mind solidified. This isn't a lightweight seat in a flimsy sense. It's lightweight by design, at just over 7 pounds, making it effortless to carry your child from car to stroller. But it carries the heft of proper engineering. You feel it in the dense, secure click of the latch connectors, the zero-flex integrity of the frame. It's built not just to pass tests, but to endure the daily grind of family life, preventing those exasperating moments where a cheaper model would rattle loose or fray. The quality of the materials, from the robust frame to the soft knit, supports that cradle an infant as small as 4 pounds, speaks to a design intended to keep pace with your child's growth, rather than forcing you into an early, costly replacement because the initial fit was simply inadequate. Now, in the spirit of absolute transparency, there's a minor point, one that frankly barely registers against the overall quality. The multi-position canopy, while effective at shielding your child, can sometimes require a deliberate hand to adjust smoothly. It's not a deal-breaker, not by a long shot. It's a fleeting moment of minor resistance that's instantly forgotten the second you hear that solid click of the 5-point harness or witness the reassuring snugness of your child within its ProtectPlus cocoon. It's a testament, perhaps, to the sheer over-engineering of everything else, where even a minor adjustment feels substantial. For those of us who prioritize reliability and the invaluable gift of time, investing in genuinely well-engineered products like this is a fundamental principle. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly, often with surprising shifts week to week. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.